thing about claw clip is that it won't damage your hair like how other hair accessories and elastics might damage your hair. They are always gentle on the hair, and anything that is gentle on the natural hair, it's a plus for we naturals. Hello lovely naturals, welcome to another video. Today's video is all about claw clip natural hairstyles and reason why you should try them aside it being a trend. First of all, always begin with a well detangled hair. Using claw clip on untangled hair is not healthy. Having your hair tangled for a long time in itself isn't healthy at all, because your hair will be breaking off and no one wishes for that. Besides this, the claw clip can get stuck. So when trying out this style, you first have to dampen your hair with a mixture of water and any oil of your choice. Then you gently brush your hair and gather your hair at your nape, and make sure that the gathered hair is at the middle of your nape. After you gather your hair at the nape, gently twist your hair as you raise it up against the nape. Finally, you then secure them with the claw clip, and that's basically it. It's so simple but glamorous. Tips you should know when you want to try out this style. If you are natural and you have thick hair, you must go in for wide tooth claw clip to make the process of installation easier. And the second step is the point at which you put the claw clip will determine how high your hair will be. Please like this video and comment your thoughts on this hairstyle. Enjoy the rest of the video.